What up? Big Hurt 916. Muscle up. I'm out here in San Diego for the HRE show, and I'm at Don's Country Kitchen, about to get out with some, looks like some good home cooking. So stay tuned, subscribe, share the channel. We about to get into this country kitchen meal, and then we're off to the HRE show. So I got that Oklahoma scramble, man, and they didn't short. I mean, shit, this is quite a bit of food out here. Got the 2 sausage patties with the hash browns with the gravy with the eggs, and then I got 2 more biscuits over here and gravy. So I'll probably have some to take back with me on my road trip back to AZ. And Don's Country Kitchen, this is out here in Carlsbad. So yeah, they don't skimp on the servings. I'm about to dig in. So I couldn't finish my whole breakfast. It was quite a bit of food. Ate half a biscuit, 1.5 sausages and my eggs and a little bit of the hash browns. But yeah, Don's Country Kitchen out here in Carlsbad. Free event, and I'm making my way up to the warehouse. So we about to see some dope cars, and let me know what your favorite is. Let me know, you know, in the comments what car really jumps out at you. So I just made it up to the warehouse, and this is what's parked outside. McLaren, and Ferrari. So this is like the special parking area for those people who are, I guess, approved to park in the HRE parking lot. GT3 RS, Porsche Turbo, looks like. Got a Murcielago, Performante, got another McLaren over here. To bring the Porsche and park it in the parking lot, but I wasn't able to get my AC working properly before I had to drive out here. And driving from Arizona to California with no AC is exotics that are parked up here. They got other cars, but these cars, I would like to point out, are all HRE wheels. So if you had HRE wheels on your car, you could submit your car to get approved. But if you didn't have HRE wheels, you had to get a special approval to park up here. Just to give you guys a little insight info. I'm not sure what Ferrari this is, but looks pretty beastly. Let me know in the comments what Ferrari it is if you're familiar with it. $296 GTS. Row right here for all you BMW fans. Got to represent for a little bit everybody. Although, you know, I'm the muscle car guy. HRE's one of the top in the business, and this is their warehouse where they make all the wheels at, you guys. Look at all these hubs, centers, and whatever. The cast. It's pretty sick, and it's all made here in the USA. And this Maybach is just, man, this thing is nasty. Pretty car. I like those wheels, man. Clean. Got the Camaro 69. Yeah, this is clean. HREs. Some HREs. Man, that's clean. Some nice green on here. Carbon fiber bumpers. It's nice. TMI interior. Yeah, great job. Just a clean build. Now they did a Mustang, but they made it electric. No go for me, man. No electric for me. It ruined the car, in my opinion. Ruined it. The M4 GT3. I've never seen one of these, and it's got a wide body. Oh, it's got a wide body kit. That's why it looks so crazy. Monster build. M4 GT3. What'd you guys think of this? Look at the wheels on this thing. Man, it's got some meats. What has it got on here? 315 40 18s. And in the front, it's also got some, what is it? Yeah, 315 40 18s in the front too. So squared up. Not for everybody. Clean build. It's got a nice stance on it too. Is this another M4?
Yeah, you say M4.
M4. Yeah, M4. Another modified BMW for you guys. This one is without the wide body though. It's an M2. It's clean though.
No, these are people's cars. They're just showcasing them for the
HREs. Carbon fiber grill. Got the marble Ferrari. This is also part of the back of the warehouse back here. And cars are still pulling in. All of this will fill up real soon. Audi R8. The Huracan. This is like miscellaneous cars back here. All HRE rim cars though, old schools. HRE wheels, but this car, truck stands out. Nothing close to this here. It's got a really cool patina on it. Got the little cool intake, serpentine setup. Look like a 350 old school block, and custom frame, Willwood brakes. This is cool. Yeah, this is really cool. Peanut Brothers Customs. This is a bad truck right here. It's badass.
Dennis.
Kept it classic inside. Got the touchscreen, old school gauges. It looks like a sequential shift. Pretty Target. I like that pattern. Lancia Outlaw, you guys. This car right here is sick. 650,000.
Nice.
650,000. An Outlaw Lancia. Let me get a peek inside for you guys real quick. This car is beautiful. I'll get the wheels for you guys real quick too. Beautiful car. So this is like the Singer of a Lancia. It's been modified and topped and modernized, and you can really see that this car is just beautiful. It's been some years since I've been here, so it's cool to come back and cover it for you guys, let you see what's going on as far as at the HRE warehouse and some of the cool cars. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, share the channel, muscle up, and go to BigHerc916.com to pick you up some Muscle Up merch or some soap so you can wash your ass.
Are you tired of smelling funky? Have you washed your ass? Go to BigHerc916.com
and pick you up a sticker for your car, or a patch, or a sticker for your laptop, or maybe a beanie, or read one of the many books that Big Herc 916 has authored. You know how we do it.